Welcome to From the Garden, where we share tips and techniques to make your garden more successful. So let's learn more so we can grow more. Making your own planter is as easy as 1, 2, 3. Follow these steps to grow your own fruits and vegetables at home. This self-watering planter has a cotton rope that pulls up water from the bottom only as the plant needs it. This will make it very difficult to over or underwater your plants. For this project, you will need cotton rope or strips of cotton fabric. You can even use an old t-shirt, plastic 2-liter bottle or a 16-ounce plastic water bottle that has been washed out and the label has been removed, soil, and the seeds you want to plant. In this video, I will be planting green beans. Step 1. Take your plastic bottle and cut it in half on a sturdy surface. Always be very careful with scissors and be mindful of where your fingers are when you are cutting. Step 2. Cut a 12-inch strip of rope and tie a knot with one side longer than the other. This length should be long enough for either size bottle you use. Put the bottle cap face down on a sturdy surface. Carefully cut a slit in the cap and thread the rope through the slit. Then screw the cap back on the bottle. Fill the top half of the bottle with soil. Keep the cotton rope in the center of the soil. Cover the cotton rope with a thin layer of soil and set it aside. Step 3. Write the name of the seeds you are planting on the bottom half of the water bottle, then add at least 2 inches of water to the bottom half of the bottle. Place the half with soil in it into the bottom half of the bottle so that the bottle cap is pointing down. Plant seeds according to the instructions. For example, I am planting green beans, so I will make my hole 1 inch deep into the soil to plant them. From the tip of your index finger to your first knuckle is about 1 inch. You can use your index finger to make the 1 inch hole. Lightly water the soil so that the cotton rope in the soil is wet. Now you have an inexpensive, easy planter to start your own garden. Place the container in a sunny windowsill or outside if it's warm enough. Rotate the planter daily and change the water weekly. Make sure the cotton rope is always in the water. The LSU AgCenter offers SNAP-Ed nutrition education programs. For more information on SNAP-Ed programs near you, contact Jessica Randazzo with the LSU AgCenter in St. Mary and St. Martin parishes.